In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Gmail to another Gmail account. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a seamless transition of your emails. Whether you're switching accounts for work purposes or just wanting a fresh start with a new email address, I'm here to provide the support you need. We'll begin by setting things up in your old Gmail account. You'll want to log into this account and navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. This is your settings menu, and once you're here, look for and click on See All Settings. From this menu, we'll head over to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab, which is crucial for enabling the transfer of your emails. Within this section, you'll find the option to Enable IMAP. It's important to ensure that it is activated by clicking on it. This setting governs how emails are accessed and transferred between different clients, so this step is essential for the process to work smoothly. Now, let's switch gears and head over to your new Gmail account. Once you've logged in here, you'll follow a similar path by selecting the gear icon, going to See All Settings, and then moving to the Accounts and Import tab. What you're looking for in this section is the Check Mail from Other Accounts option. Select Add a Mail Account, and when prompted, enter your old email address. This step bridges the connection between your old and new accounts, so type the address carefully. The subsequent prompts will guide you through several server settings. Here, you'll need to input the necessary information to link your old account. If you're unsure, Gmail typically suggests default settings that you can use, ensuring everything is correctly configured. During this process, you'll want to pay attention to options like Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server and Always use a secure connection SSL when retrieving mail. Checking these will ensure your data remains secure and that copies of emails remain in your old account. After you finish configuring, simply click Add Account. Go through the confirmation process, which may require additional verification steps for security purposes, such as signing into your old account to approve the transfer. Once set up, emails from your old account will periodically transfer over to your new account. It's worth mentioning that while this initial setup circulates instantly, the actual migration of emails may take time, especially if you have a large volume of data. Patience will be key here. And there you have it, a seamless way to merge your Gmail accounts, streamlining your digital communications. Thank you for joining me as we walk through these steps. I hope it was helpful and that you enjoy managing your emails in a more consolidated manner. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any further questions.